Hello guys, I'm recording this video in English because I would like for you to understand very well what I want to tell you today. I am I decided to redesign our page. I have seen you struggling to find I'm going to put the student from the student perspective. So I know that you have struggled finding your assignments, and me trying to explain you where they are is complicated. So what I did is to redesign our page. So I hope that this will help you to find what you had to do in a easier way. So I put the past weeks that we have been here, but they are still not there. What we have been doing, I will put it there because I started with this week. So what I'm going to do is just give you the days so you know that you just need to click there and find out what you have to do for the day. Now, here in the bottom, you're going to have, I had to publish this, or otherwise you won't have access to your activities, but please do not pay attention to this. Just pay attention to what you need to do for the day. So this is what you had to do for this day. And when you click on your class plan, you're gonna find your class plan. And also I make a video that explains you what you have to do. So you just need to click the video, and once you get there, I'm just gonna give you the instructions for the day. I hope this helps
Hola.
you. I hope this helps you to understand what you have to do and helps you to do your work better and be on top of the activities. Um, Please let me know, as usual, if you have any questions. We still be connecting every class. And even if you don't need further instruction, I want you to be there so I can be assisting you whenever you need. I hope this helps, and I'll see you during class. Thank you. Bye.